Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2008 Harley Davidson Street Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2008 Harley Davidson Street Glide with 26,884 miles runs well. It comes equipped with a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with grips, chrome levers, chrome switches, chrome radio trim, a chrome inner primary cover, a windshield and windshield trim, a headlight trim ring, LED turn signals, an LED taillight, a taillight visor, mid-frame heat shield, saddlebag latches, a plate bracket, Vantonized mufflers, a horn cover, and aquatic AV radio. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V twin engine, the Street Glide puts 77 horsepower and 92 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Street Glide has a 175 to 220-mile range. It has a 26.3-inch seat height and a 773-pound wet weight. This bike passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds, and the rear at 6/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.